Welcome back to The Random. It's your host, SmallwoodWorldWide. We're back again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at my top 3 uses for Siri utilizing iPadOS 18.5. Now, of course, you can use this on iOS 18.5 as well, and most importantly, the new iOS is right around the corner next week at WWDC. But before we get to dub, let's take a look at my top 3 uses, starting with number 3, okay? Number 3 is going to be using Siri to launch a trailer. Check this out. Play the trailer for Captain America: Brave New World. And here you go. Check this out. You asked for me. As you can see, it launched a trailer, nice and clean, in all its 4K glory. You gotta love that. You can do that with virtually any trailer. And yes, it's one of my favorite uses for Siri. Now, as you can see, new Captain America. You haven't seen it, check it out. Absolutely incredible. In the meantime, let's get back to it. That was number 3. Let's jump to number 2. Number 2, utilizing Siri for language translation. Let's try something, or a few. How do you say, I really want a croissant in French?
Je veux vraiment un croissant.
Whoa, there we go. How do you say, can I have a schnitzel in German?
Kann ich ein Schnitzel haben?
Beautiful. How do you say, I really would like more salt in Spanish? How would you say, I would really like more salt in Spanish?
Realmente me gustaría más sal.
And let's do one more for good measure. How do you say thank you in Spanish?
Gracias.
Gracias. So as you see, with Siri, you have the ability to do this on the fly. This comes in handy in a number of ways. So I gave you number 2. Now let's get to my number 1 usage, and that's using Siri in conjunction with ChatGPT. Check this out. And the more complex, the more mind-blowing. For today's example, I'm gonna give you something simple. Use ChatGPT to build a workout for me Monday through Friday, part strength training, the other part cardio. Advanced fitness level, I have a treadmill, I have a bike. Also, I have free weights. As you can see, it's going to work. We don't want to interrupt. Voila, look at that. Look at that. As you can see, it gives you a workout for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way through Friday as I asked. Siri using ChatGPT is an unbeatable combo. Now, I don't know about you. I'm loving the new Siri. I'm loving it in conjunction with ChatGPT. I look forward to what's to come on the new OS. Hit me up in the comments. First of all, y'all gotta like the videos. Y'all watch the videos. You're not liking all of them. You're not disliking them, but you gotta like the videos, all right? In the comments, drop down your top use cases for Siri or using Siri and ChatGPT as a combination, and I'll look forward to reading and interacting with that. Until then, we'll see you again sooner than you think on a new edition of The Random. Peace.